Guys, yung buffet na laging pinipilahan sa Pampanga is finally here in Cavite. And this is Abe Buffet Plus. Located to sa Kawit, Cavite, and this is their newest branch. They serve lunch from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and dinner naman from 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. If you're a fan of unlimited food at gusto mong makatikim ng iba't ibang cuisines in one place, this is definitely worth checking out. They have 8 culinary stations, so talagang hindi ka mauubusan ng choices. First is the carving station where you'll find roast beef, lechon, and roast chicken. Then they have Filipino station, serving classics like sisig and dinuguan. And hindi ko in-expect na meron din silang adobong balut dito. From there, lipat naman tayo sa Japanese station. Ito yung isa sa mga na-enjoy kong panoorin kasi makikita mo mismo yung preparation ng sashimi. Ang sipag din nilang mag-refill, kaya fresh lagi yung serving. Next naman is Chinese station where you can enjoy unlimited hot pot. Hindi na namin siya na-try that time, pero ang maganda dito, hindi lang hot pot ang meron. They also have unlimited Korean samgyeopsal. So kung trip mong mag-grill, this is the place for you. May grilling tables na available. Pero kung ayaw mong magluto, pwede mo ring ipag-grill sa staff nila. Ibibigay mo lang yung table number mo. Next is the Italian station with different kinds of pasta and of course, hand-tossed pizza. I tried the pepperoni and honestly, ang sarap niya. After that is the Western station. Nakadalawang balik talaga ako kasi masarap yung scallops nila. Syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang dessert. They have a bunch of pastries, halo-halo, ice cream bar, and taho. And aside from those stations, meron silang crepes, different kinds of bread, fresh fruits, at cold cuts. So talagang kompleto yung selection. For drinks naman, soft drinks are available for an additional charge, but the rest, including coffee, is already included. If you're planning a birthday, family gathering, or any special occasion, they also have 2 private spacious function rooms available. Plus, malaking bonus na malawak ang parking, kaya hindi hassle kahit maraming sasakyan. Overall, masasabi kong sulit talaga yung experience. Maraming choices at masarap yung mga food nila. And here's the best part, their grand opening promo is still ongoing. From the regular price of 999 pesos, it's now down to just 699 pesos, and that's 30% off, valid until July 12, 2026 only. So if gusto nyo makatry ng masarap at sulit na buffet dito sa Cavite, you have to visit Abe Buffet Plus here in Kawit, Cavite.